Hello. Dr. Hill here again. Another video. Let's keep them rolling. We've been having some fun lately, so we might as well keep it going. So, you've seen us do memes. You've seen us do some homemade TikTok videos. But today, we're going to do something a little different. It's actually going to be tweets. I'm assuming they're dental related, probably because this is a dental YouTube channel. I will read them, and we'll see what reactions I get, because I can only imagine the tweets that are out there in the free world about dentists and what we do and what they have to get done at the dental office and all this. So I think it's going to be great. We're going to look at it together. Time to have some fun. Let's get to the first one. I have a dentist appointment first thing tomorrow morning. If you need me, I'll be cramming 6 months worth of flossing into one night. Again, such a common theme. If you've seen any of the other videos, I swear, this is like everything. There's memes on it. There's obviously a million jokes about it. I hear this all the time in the dental chair. And the sad thing is, it is beyond true. And as you can tell, what is that? Almost 4,000 tweets or likes or whatever. I mean, let's be honest. Everybody feels that way when they come and see us. Could make life a lot easier if you just flossed every night. Although, it wouldn't make the tweets or the memes or any of that so good. So, I get it. But, see it all the time. Invention idea. A dentist drill that sounds like a lovely... Okay, hold on. Let's go back. Invention idea, first off. Very important, okay? Number two, any drill, we all know how it sounds. It sounds terrible. Even dentists don't like the drill, although I'm pretty sure we become accustomed to it and we don't even really hear it anymore. But since I've been in the dental chair myself and I've had work done on my own teeth, I know exactly how much this tweet needs to be actually a real thing. That's a good one. That's why usually we have some music turned on, tell people to bring some headphones. Anything we can do to get rid of that sound, because believe me, my assistants, myself, everybody in the front, every dentist, we hear it when we sleep. I promise you. That's a good one, though. I would like that. Jim, first of all, great guy. Going to the dentist is a great way to remind yourself what a coward you are. True. Yeah, I don't know many people that come and run and jump and hug me and high-five me to come to the dental office. Usually we got to basically drag them in to the dental office so that we can see them. It's a way of life. White coat syndrome is a real thing. I feel like dentists, we sit at the top of that. Everybody's scared of us. I shouldn't say everybody. The majority of people are scared of us. I get it. I understand it. It's nerve-wracking. It's not a fun place to be. Although I like when you come in to see me. I know you don't really like to see me. If I had $1 for every time I was told that, probably wouldn't have any student debt left. And I have a lot of student debt. But that's a good one. Dentist on my mouth this morning. Turns out I'd rather dribble coffee all over my chest than wait 1 more hour to drink coffee. Yeah, I'm a coffee guy. Unfortunately, numbing causes a lot of issues. Personal story, I got my wisdom teeth out. Numbed all over, put to sleep the whole 9. Came home, all I wanted was a chocolate milkshake. My mom, God bless her, got me a chocolate milkshake. Drank the chocolate milkshake. Was still starving. Thought it was the numbing, thought I was getting put to sleep. I was 16, I was eating every 10 minutes at that age. Reality was I didn't even get a sip of it. My entire shirt was covered in chocolate milkshake. And also the couch. Again, I'm sorry, Mom, if you ever see this. But I actually fully get this, and also coffee is a must for anybody and everybody. There's nothing better than a morning coffee. Just does something for the soul, gets the day going right. But really, I've actually literally physically been in here, but mine was a chocolate milkshake. My dentist asked his assistant to suction the water out of my mouth, but I thought he was talking to me, so I sucked his finger. I'm mortified. Oh my God, this is brilliant. I love this. 60,000 likes. Almost 30,000 comments on it. This is actually hilarious. I've had some personal experiences. Patients mishear what we say. It gets weird sometimes in the dental chair. It's okay. I promise you, I'm a trained professional and will always keep it professional with you. Although in this case, I mean, I would probably have to laugh. I don't know how you laugh or don't laugh at something like this, especially for her. She was probably mortified. I would probably be cracking up, but I mean, kudos for putting it out there in the tweet world, I guess. You know, I don't know. That's actually, that might be one of the best things I've ever seen. And probably has happened more times than people would like to admit. My dentist gives you a cookie at the end of each visit, a delicious sugar-filled cavity-causing cookie. I see how this works now. It's a cycle, people. It's a cycle. All right. Just kidding. That's not true. But I mean, I feel like when you go to the dentist, you deserve something. I mean, my office doesn't do that, but there's a Grater's, which is the best ice cream ever. There's a Grater's right by my office. I can't tell you how many patients I tell them to once they're numb, they did a great job. I say, you know, go reward yourself with some Grater's. I promise you I'm not trying to get you back in the chair. I just think, you know, a dentist is an uncomfortable spot. If you do well, you deserve something. Although, I mean, shout out to that dentist for giving away cookies to every patient. That's pretty impressive. Me, what should I do? Dentist, stop eating sugar, drinking coffee and wine, cut back on stress. Me, right, but like realistically. Yeah, I mean, this is a great example. I mean, first of all, stop eating sugar. To me, I'm not a big sugar guy, so it doesn't do much for me. The coffee and wine part especially does something for me. I drink coffee all the time. It's one of my favorite things ever. I don't think physically I could tell somebody to stop drinking wine. I know it stains your teeth, but if you enjoy it, you do it. To me, that'd be like someone telling me to stop drinking a beer. I love nothing better than a nice cold beer, especially after a long day. So it's hard for me to have that conversation with patients, even though I just inform them what it can do for them. Now, cut back on the stress. It's 2020. I mean, this year is a nightmare all the way around. Health-wise, everything-wise, the world's, I mean, it's just a crazy year. I think I've never seen so much stress on people or patients ever. And I've been seeing patients for almost, 7 to 8 years now. You're never going to cut back on stress. I have stress. Probably the happiest people in the world have stress at some point. It's a part of life, the world that we live in now. Although it'd be great if you could get rid of it. It's never going to happen, though. I can't tell you how many times I've gotten asked by patients, what can I do to help? Or what can I do so I don't have issues? Or what can I do so I don't come in and see you? Usually it's pretty simple. Brush, floss, watch your diet, avoid acidic drinks, acidic foods. Try to cut down on the amount of sugars you have. That can get you pretty far in this world, especially in the dental world. I get it. Sugar, cookies, sweets, all that stuff from time to time. It's okay. Cutting back on all this other stuff, it's hard for me to kind of justify it when I myself love a good coffee. Stop drinking coffee and wine. No way. These tweets are pretty damn good. Again, the guy that gives a cookie at every single one, I don't know, that'd be impressive. Although Cheryl's Cookies, shout out Columbus brand, the best cookies of all time. So, I mean, honestly, I feel like I should give myself a cookie after every day now that I thought about it. All right, guys, I appreciate you checking out this video. The tweets are great. I have a sneaking suspicion we're going to do more tweets because I like these tweets. They're funny. I like to see what other people think. And obviously, you get my serious reaction right off the bat because I've never seen any of these. So they're great. So, like, subscribe, check out these videos, throw some tweets, some memes, questions, comments, throw it all towards us so that we can take care of you. See you guys soon. Appreciate you.